A complete stranger once knitted me a boob. Yes. No, actually, a breast. 2 of them. This one, actually. Yep. Fake.
Fake. I'm stunned. I'm shocked.
Sounds awkward, right? Maybe funny. But in that moment, I had seen so many doctors and nurses and oncologists and surgeons, and I'd seen so many people, and all of them seen my breast. At first you feel vulnerable, but then after a while, I don't know, the barriers break down, the freedom of like, it is what it is. And yeah, you face the reality. My breast is literally getting lobbed off. Receiving that breast, I realized that kindness from strangers, it can break down all barriers. That's why I'm here, giving away my paintings, breaking down those barriers, being kind. There's no barriers. Yeah, I'm getting myself out of my comfort zone, and there is a little bit of vulnerability, like, ooh, will they like this piece of art? Like, will they like it? Or how will they react to it? It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, I want to be the best version of myself. I want to pay it forward. I want that just one little moment of joy that somebody else gave me. I want to pass it on and give it to someone else.
So this made my whole day. I was having a bad day, and then Sandy gave this to me. And
Oh,
now it's just a way
yay.
better day.
I love that. I love that. Oh, yay.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
I'm nervous. It's funny, every time I sit down and paint, that little inner voice in my head is just like, can't do this. You've never done it before. You know, this one is not gonna turn out good. Ooh, is that the right color? I don't know. And are they gonna like it? You're painting this for a complete stranger. You don't even know if they like deer. I'm feeling like a deer in headlights. Oh man. Whew. Time to shake it off. Shake it off. Come on, I can do this. I've been painting forever. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. That's what I need. I need that color. Woo, baby. Uh-huh. That's what I'm talking about. Just, it's funny how like one song, one color, it's just like, a piece of art. It just like, yeah, it takes you from a deer in headlights to amazing. Hello. It's funny how it can just like change your whole mood. Change your whole stinking thinking. That's right. I don't need to be stinking thinking. Yeah. Yes, that's what I do. Whoop whoop. Okay. Starting to come together. She's starting to look beautiful. Starting to look gorgeous. Hello. Ugh. I'm so excited. I am so excited to give this away. I hope it just makes someone's day. Like, I hope it makes them smile. It's so rough out there. Like, crap in the world, if I could just show up for them like those strangers showed up for me. Oh, complete strangers made my day. Like they didn't even know me. They just showed up. Yeah, that's what life is about, right? You just gotta pay it forward. You gotta be kind. Like, there's enough crap in the world. The world doesn't need more crap. That's for sure. Ooh. Why am I into the blacks already? No, I should be into the medium colors, not the... Ooh, yeah. That's it. Oh, getting right into the detail. Holy, I didn't even notice. Usually I'm twitching and it's like, whoa, but no, I think I'll just, I'll just get right into the darks all of a sudden. Yeah, that's it. It's like, okay, I'm all in. I can't turn back now. Yay, yay. This one's turning out pretty good. She's looking sexy. She's looking sexy. I want some nice lighter on the top of the nose. I want this little wash of blue maybe. And then I want some nice darks in the rest of the nostril. But I don't have to go dark right now, Sandy. I don't. Okay, let it dry. But yeah, you know what? I think I am gonna let it dry. Yes, let's see. I never can stop, can I? Like I'm already into the detail. What is happening here? What is happening? Whoop, whoop. She's looking pretty good though. She's looking pretty good. I love how everything comes together. It blends and it's just, yeah, it's just clicking on all cylinders. You know I can do this with a pen, right? Why am I doing this with my brush? Why am I doing this with my brush, Sandy? Ooh. Okay. You know, I could look at my reference. I could be looking at a deer right now. I could. I'm gonna let it dry. Yes. I'm excited to give this one away. You know, I didn't realize how good it would make me feel. I gave 3 away now and just to see their smile on their face, that unexpected, like, what? You painted that for me? Oh my God, I was having a really bad day. And now, not so much, not so much. Yeah, it's been amazing. The people I'm meeting and their reaction. I don't know, I'm kind of old school. Okay, when we grew up, computers weren't even invented. So I was really nervous about asking people like, oh, can I put this on YouTube. I thought they'd be like, oh, hell no. I cannot believe the reactions are like, yeah, of course. And then I even went back and re-asked, like, are you sure? You sure you want it on YouTube? And they're like, yeah. Give me the link. I want to see it. I want to watch it. So the reaction has been way better than I thought. Like, just crazy amazing. It's like, yes, yes. I wasn't sure if people would get it, you know, like, okay, I want to be kind. I want to make a difference. I want to pay it forward. I'm giving these to a perfect stranger. And because perfect strangers were there for me in my darkest moments, they were there. They showed up for me. They didn't even know me. They didn't even know me. If you got a second chance at life, what gift could you give someone? And it could be just like as simple as a smile. Like, it doesn't have to be a grand gesture. And you know what? Why wait? Why wait for a second chance at life? You could start today. Whoop whoop! Look at it! Look at how cute it is! I love it. I love everything about it. And I'm excited. I'm also nervous to give it away. I feel so vulnerable. I don't know who I'm giving it to. I'm gonna give it to a stranger. And I just wanna be kind. I wanna pass it on. I got a second chance at life. I love deeply, and I know what it's like to be on the verge of losing love. I'm excited. I hope they love it. Hey, Corey.
Yeah.
I made you something.
Oh my God.
I painted it for you.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's awesome.
You're welcome. And then the quote on the back
Yeah.
is from the last person that got a piece of art.
Yeah.
So if you could write a quote for the next person.
Sure, I would
That would
love
be
that.
What gift could you give someone? And it could be just like as simple as a smile. Like, it doesn't have to be a grand gesture. And you know what? Why wait? Why wait for a second chance at life? You could start today. Let's chat down below and tell me, what are you gonna pay it forward with today? Send your prayers up and your roots down deep. Love you, bye. Ooh, actually, yeah.